Hello. Yes, my dear student. Today I will start chapter number 4 for the class 7 advanced feature of the chapter 16. So, my dear student, in the previous chapter you have to learn about the you have Excel. So you have learned about the formulas, function, chart. Now you will learn about the advanced features of MS Excel. So in the previous chapter mostly depend on your charts, which types of chart, pie chart, bar chart, so many charts, how to create the charts, how to open and save the chart. And now you will learn about the advanced features of MS Excel. That makes work too much easier and simpler in the Excel. List sorting, filtering and goal seek. So let us study. We will start the MS Excel. So first I will start sorting data. Sorting data means arrange the given data according to a particular order, either ascending or descending order. To sort the data, use any one of the following method. First of all, we will start sorting. Suppose that the name is Ram, Shyam, Abhishek, Lavanya, Abhijay, Shubh, Vansika, Kavya, Aradhya. So many students name. So first of all I will tell you what is sorting. Sorting means here are some names: Shubh, Ram, Shyam, Abhishek, Lavanya, Vijay, Vansika, Kavya, Aradhya. So we want to sort in meter. Just like A to Z. Sorting meter. So first of all, we will start from the Abhijay. First A, B, H, I, S and J. Then J comes before the S. First letter A, B, H, I. Okay. I will say it again. Ram, Shyam, Shubh, Ram, Shyam, Abhishek, Lavanya, Vijay, Vanshika, Kavya, Aradhya. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 students. Okay? 9 students. So here the computer will decide which one number will come first. So before the computer is a human thinking. So human is like me, I am thinking that which one A to Z means A word will come first. So in the 3A, 1, 2, 3, A, R, A, B, okay. So first of all, Aradhya will not come, first of all, A, B. But next at H, I. But if we compare it with the Abhishek and the Abhijay, then S will come after the J. So the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. There is no S. Then comes first of all Abhijay. And after that is Abhishek. So here write here Abhijay, Abhishek, and after the Abhishek we will write Aradhya. A-I-D-H-A-Y, Aradhya. And after the Aradhya, we will write after Aradhya, okay, we will write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, Kavya. And after the Kavya, we will write Lavanya, J-K-L-N. After the Lavanya, after the Kavya, we will write Ram. And after the Ram, we will write Shu. And after the Shu, we will write Shyam. And after at last, I will write one Sita. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 numbers. 9 mean the student write ascending order as A to Z manner. If the human want to write the Z to A manner, then a person will start from the Vansika Shyam, just like that. Vansika Shyam Shubh Ram, Lavanya, Kavya, Aradhya, Abhishek and Abhijay. Just like that, opposite manner or the descending manner. So by the human, it will write manually. It will take us so many time, too much time. This is an animal example. But if you go to the, if you want to take the help of computer, that he has to know that. So I will tell you how computer helps you in advanced algebra Excel. Just a minute. First of all, I will raise it, then I will tell you. So it is arranging order. So first of all, select the cells or range of cells that you want to sort arrange. Okay, suppose that, okay, again example, if you want according to your book, here is 200, 150, 125, 125, 150, sorry, 190, 80, 190, 80, 350 and 700. First of all, accept. So many number, figure number, so many functions. In figure 4.1 on the page number 34 in your book. So select the range of cells. First of all, we will select the range of cells. Select the range of cells. Select the range of cells. Select the range of cells that you want to sort. Or arrange. Click on the data tab. And then click on the A to Z or Z to A. Click on the just like the option Z to A or A to Z. Which you want. Button to sort the data in the ascending or descending order respectively. Okay, so this is your method number first. As you want to get to A, then the as again the number being A to Z. Okay, and second method is that select the cells or arrange of cells. Select the cells of range of cells. Click on the sort data A to Z or Z to A, because Z to A or A to Z. Button in the sort and filter group. Button in the sort and filter group of data. The sort dialog box opens up. Select the column on which you want. Select the column on which you want to apply sorting. To select the values from sort on drop down menu. Select the order of sorting from order drop down menu. Click on OK button. The data will be sorted. This is your second method. Okay. I will again repeat your second method. What's the method? Click on the, first of all, same procedure in the first method. Select the cells and click on the sort button. In the first method, we will click on the data tab. Here, we will click on the sort dialog box. Sort and filter group. Sort and filter group. Because the sort data dialog box is a figure 4.2. So we'll click on the sort and filter group of data. Sort dialog box open, select the column and then select the column on which you want to apply sorting. Where you want to apply sorting. Select the values of sorting on drop down menu. Click sort. Click order to sorting from order drop down menu. Click on OK button. The data will be sorted. And after the both method, data will show as, yes, in the same manner, data will go opposite. Same 350, 350, 200, same 50. Same 50, 200, 350, 200, 190, 125, 125, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, if you click on the jet to click, then 700, 250, 200, 190, 125, 80. So this is the method of by clicking on and selecting on sort data from the data type Z to A method, and then you click the again A to Z method. Then 80, 125, 190, 200, 350, and 700. So I've told you both methods how to sort data from method 1 and method 2. So I will, and simple enough. If you want to write the name here, if you want to simple, if you want to alphabetical word, Z, V, J, I, V, A. Sorry. V, Z, I, A, B, C. Okay. Here, either 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 alphabetical word. Right here. If you click the Z, A. If you click the Z to A, then sorting will Z to A. Z, V, I, C, D, and A. And if you click A to Z, then it will change. You just A, B, C, I, V, and Z. So I have told you both manner in the mathematical portion and also alphabetical. This is alphabetical. So I have told you in the alphabetical style. Okay. Next, I will tell you about the filtering data. I will tell you filtering data. Filter, simple. Filter as your filter. Filter word used in your life so many times. Your mama, when you go to clean the wheat, use a filter. Dust out of the from your wheat. So many things you choose. Here's too much thing. Suppose that is a class 6 class 6 student here A C B D Z A C. So many students. If you want to select only A student, filter. If you want the whose name starts on the A, then click on the A. Filter the A. If you want the only student who is in the class 6, then 6 and filter the 6. Then that time you will find only 6 students. C A C D B. If you want the student of class 7, then you will find only Z A C. By the help of this option, we will find out, search out. Filters means there are so many names in the list. If you want a particular things, suppose that in a company there are too many employees, so we want to select the employees according to their work. As same in a school, the principal may want to work out on the teachers, and she want to find out how many English teachers in the school. That go to the Excel in the go to the filter option and click on the English teachers. Then find out all English teachers. Suppose that in the school, so many teachers, math teachers, English teacher, computer teacher, science teacher, GK teacher. But if she wants to find out only English teacher, then click on the English teacher, and she will find only English teacher's name. So filter data means working with only selective range of cell. Working with only selective range of cell, that is, it helps to the unwanted data temporarily. It helps to hide unwanted data temporarily. In the list, so many data, so many names, but if you want to some particular names, so then that time computer show only the particular name, and rest of name computer will hide. By this reason, a person will not come confused. Here is a too much name, and I want only the few name, but show the whole name. But only computer will help you hide the unwanted name. After filtering data, only those range of cells are displayed that meet the specified criteria. There are following two options by using which you can filter it. After filtering data, only those range of cells displayed the meet the specified criteria. There are following two options by using which you can filter the data: auto filter and advanced filter. One option is that auto filter and advanced filter. Auto filter. Auto filter. So this figure on the 4.4, select the cells to filter them. To use auto filter feature, follow the given step. Select the cells which are to be filtered. Select the cells which are to filter as a sort. Filter. There are so many names. You have to select only particular name who you want to filter. Click on the data tab and again same. Click on the data tab. Now click the filter option from sort and filter group. From sort and filter group. Filter is a sign filter. Okay, so this is a sign of the filter. This is a sign of filter. This type of item you use so many times in your home for filtering something. Yes. At your home. Filter. Unwanted data, idea, and wanted data comes out of this area. Okay. A small arrow will be added at the select cell column headers. The rows is used to the filter data. Click on the row. A drop down list appear to show in the figure 4.5. Okay. In the selecting data, there are so many numbers: 80, 125, 190, 250, 350, and 700. That time you have to select the only numbers for showing. For showing on the sheet. So if you click on the three number, 250, 350, and 700, then you will show same number: 250, 350, and 700. And rest of numbers will not show on your Excel sheet, because in that option we will click to, we have to click 250, 350, 700. So we will the computer will show the display output as a 250, 350, 700. Uncheck the values which you don't want to use. The filter will appear on the selected data. Okay, so both figure you can see on the figure 4.5 and the figure 4.6 filter in the worksheet. And next option, the advanced filter. Okay, my dear student, advanced filter. Advanced filters figure on the figure 4.7, applying the filter. Advanced filter option is used to filter the data in multiple fields. Advanced filter option is used to filter the data in the multiple fields using some specific criteria. To use advanced filter for the some steps, click the data tab. Click on the first step there. Click on the data tab. Click on the data tab, and second, click on the advanced option in click on click on advanced option in sort and filter mode. In sort and filter group. The advanced filter dialog box opens up. अब क्या होगा? Then what will happen? The advanced filter group. The advanced filter group. Advanced filter group. The advanced filter dialog box. Filter dialog box will appear. Open. Third option. Click on the list range box. Click on the list range box from the dialog box. List range box. Click on the list range box. To enter the range in it, select the range of cell in the worksheet. For example, AS to DS5, AS to D8. In the figure 4.7 and the figure 4.8, you can see the A5 to D8. Therefore, we will appear the list box automatically. List box appear automatically. Next, click on the criteria range. Click on the then criteria range and select B to D3. Also the figure 4.7, 4.8. Cell the enter the reference criteria. Click on the OK button. Then filter the data will be displayed as a worksheet. And now last option, click on the OK and filter data will open on the worksheet. Filter data. So I will show a book. So my dear student, this is the figure number 4.7 and the figure is the 4.8. You can see here criteria range, list range, enter the range which is to be filtered, enter the range which is to be filtered, enter the criteria range, enter the criteria range. This is the applying advanced filter. Math, criteria, math 50, science 70, English 30, name, math, science, English, Nisha, Naveen 52, the criteria range. Is the filtered data. Neha, math 52, science 76, English 35. Because depend on the selection and the criteria range. How to criteria? Option 1 and description. List range, the range of cell that you want to filter. What is the list range? The range of cell that you want to filter. The list range should include header at the top of the each column. Header at the top of the each column. A range of cell in which the filter criteria are specified. A range of cells in which the filtering criteria are specified. Criteria range is option 2, list range and the criteria range. So today I told to you is a advanced feature Excel, sorting data, what's called advanced feature of Excel, introduction, sorting data, and then filter data. In the filtering data, auto filter and the advanced filter. So all figure in your notebook very clearly from page number 34. On the page number 34, figure 4.1 for selecting range of cells to sort data, and figure 4.2 sort dialog box, and figure 4.4 selecting cells to the filter them. Okay, I will display your book. Okay, so this chapter starts from the 4 advanced feature of the Excel 2016. So page number 34, sorting data, figure 4.1 selecting range of cells to sort the data, and then first method, second method, figure 4.2 sort dialog box, and next figure 4.1 data after sorting, and after next filtering data, auto filter, figure 4.4 selecting cells to filter them. Next figure 4.5 applying filter, 4.6 filtered data in worksheet, and then figure 4.6 applying advanced filter, and last the figure 4.8 data after applying advanced filter. Okay, my dear student, so these options I have to clear very clear, and you know very well after my video. So only one thing you have to mind: if you have to do positive things, you can do all things. And computer is not very hard. Computer make for your engineers. So I have already told you, right now the coronavirus condition. Right now, smartphone too much helpful to you, and smartphone just like a computer. Smartphone work just like a computer. We can say computer technology is a good technology, provide the too much help right now. Otherwise, without computer, all person will definitely too much interval and too much time. So thanks to computer. So my dear student, you have to study in a good manner. Okay, entertainment is good, but in a limit. Okay, limitation also in the study. I am not saying the all time you have to busy in the study, but my old method is that if I want to do the 20 marks out of 20, then you have to study only 20 marks study. If I want to do the 100 marks from the 100, you will give me only 100 marks. I will give you a limited information. I am not saying that I am not providing you too much flavors. I am providing limited things, because as your body condition, as your acceptation value, you can accept only those things, not take the extra things. Okay, what means extra? If your marks get out of 100, it's the extra. As well, so I have to provide you so many examples. Go to the market, for the 100, that time you have to spend 100 rupees and take 10 apple. For apple price 10 rupees, 100 rupees. If the shopkeeper provide you 100, shopkeeper provide you 11 apples, that means the 100 times apples price amount things, then you will get the 10 rupees profit. But if the shopkeeper gives you 9 apples, means 90 rupees, that is the 10% 10 rupees loss. So my dear student, right now you are spending money for your school, your books, your notebooks, but right now you have the lots of time, because right now you are not in school, you are at your home. So good things, so you have to learn good things and complete your syllabus, and don't take any types of bad activity. Don't think so. But you have things only positive things, good activities. Okay, my dear student, I hope that you all are a good student and doing your work very well. Okay, my dear student. Okay, we will meet you next video, and that time I will finish this chapter number 4, and that time I will start using the goal seek. What will start? I will start using the goal seek. What is the use of goal seek? Feature of goal seek. How to utilize goal seek. Goal seek also a good thing for it. Okay, bye bye.